Good morning. How you doing? Welcome to Coffee and a Forecast. It's Friday. We made it. And it's January 11th, 2013. Salute. Good coffee. A little hot. Just made it. And also, good yogurt. Good stuff. Weird, though. It's been in my fridge for a little while, and it's turned semi-liquid. So I kind of drinking it this morning for breakfast. Anyway, how you doing? The weather's gotten kind of crazy, hadn't it? Just as advertised, that cold front blew through in the middle of the night with gusty winds and a little bit of rain. And I think, because it did wake me up, and I went to the window and I turned on the light and it was a little bit wet out there. And then I thought I heard like the little sound of like ice or something hitting the window, but I couldn't tell. And it all happened in the middle of the night. So even if there was snow mixed in, probably no one saw it. And it's all over now. So we're going to have a lot of sunshine today. Much cooler behind the front. We'll talk about that in a second. We've been talking about it for a couple days anyway. Yesterday's high, 67. Real close to that average of 65. After a low of 39, which is exactly our average for this time of year. So a pretty average day. However, we had quite a bit of cloud cover and a little bit of wind out of the south and then southwest, gusting to around 30 miles an hour. And the sunrise yesterday morning looked like this. It was really nice. This is Push Peak right across the street from my apartment complex here, and this is the view from my deck. And that is a lenticular cloud that was forming with the high winds above our heads. It wasn't breezy yet at sunrise, but it was above our heads, and then eventually those winds came down to the surface. But pretty interesting cloud formation and a real pretty sunrise yesterday. Here's the forecast today. Cold front has moved through. Skies are already clearing, so sunny today, but not very warm, high near 46. Cold tonight, and we do have that hard freeze warning in effect for Saturday morning, Sunday morning, Monday morning, so basically the next 3 mornings, and they may extend it another morning, so through Monday, maybe Tuesday. So 26 to start the day Saturday, 42 tomorrow's high, that's it. 24 Sunday morning. And I had it wrong yesterday. The record low is 21 for Sunday morning. So close, but probably not. 46 Sunday afternoon. 25 Monday morning. And then our slight chance of snow for Monday is looking probably not going to happen. Maybe a little bit to the east. But what that system will do is keep us on the cool side. So we're talking 40s for a high on Monday again. And Tuesday morning, we may have another hard freeze. So we may have to extend that an extra day. We'll keep an eye on that for you. Temperatures this morning, it is what? Almost 6 o'clock. It's like 2 minutes before 6 o'clock. So still a couple of hours for these temperatures to drop a little bit. Casa Grande right now at 39, 36 Douglas Airport, 37 Nogales Airport. Here's a 35. There's 38 in Safford. And Benson, 36. Excuse me, 38 at the airport and near the apartment here in Oro Valley. And in the metro, yeah, we're talking mostly mid to upper 30s. Here's a 40 in Marana. So this morning is not the cold, hard freeze stuff, but tomorrow morning, yeah, will be. All right, here's basically the southwestern United States. Here's Arizona. Here's New Mexico, Texas, Colorado. And you can see pretty much where the front is. So it's already moved through Tucson, approaching El Paso right now. And sky's already clearing behind the system, which is spinning in Utah into Colorado right now. So driving the cold front. And then on the backside here, you can see how stuff's dropping straight south off of the California coast. And this is that cold air that's spilling in behind the front that's just going to overtake us for the next few days. Across the country, looking at the radar, this is the warm side of not our system, but another system. So we got the deep trough across the west, and then the opposite across the east. So very warm temperatures on the eastern side of the United States, especially for this time of year, and rain and even thunderstorms as far north as Michigan. So pretty unusual for them, about as unusual as our extended cold snap is for us here in the southwest. We do have snow coming down in Montana. How odd for them. And New Mexico too. Wyoming, a little bit of snow. So here is the forecast. Big area of snow for the northern plains and into the northern Rockies and even into the central Rockies. And then, of course, back towards Oregon and Washington. Big area of snow, at least a chance of snow into Nevada as well, and into New Mexico where we're seeing the snow right now along the front. Meanwhile, in the eastern U.S., it is a lot of rain and even some thunderstorms. And then that warm air is overriding the cold air in Canada with some freezing rain possible for places like Toronto and Montreal, looks like. All right, here's our forecast. It's cold. Not going to have a lot of clouds. No threat of snow, really. The mountains probably picked up a few inches last night, but that's all done. Now the cold air settles in. 46 today, 26 tomorrow morning, 42 tomorrow, 24 Sunday morning, 46 on Sunday, 25 Monday morning. A few more clouds on Monday. Monday's high about 48. And then Tuesday morning, a low near 30. And if that goes into the upper 20s, we may have to extend the hard freeze warning for one more day. And we're talking high temperatures even in the low to mid 50s and low temperatures still near freezing all through the week. So yeah, an extended period of cold weather in Tucson. Winter has arrived. Thanks for tuning in. Coffee and a forecast. Really do appreciate it. TucsonWeather.us is the website. Like us on Facebook. Check out our Tucson Weather community on Google+. Very exciting. And otherwise, just have a great weekend, and we'll keep you updated. Talk to you soon. Have a great Friday.